Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 7th February 2025. Hit hard by the rupee's depreciation against the US dollar, Indian firms are adopting various measures, including securing forex and cross-currency covers and reducing input costs to shield themselves from adverse impacts. The rupee hit another closing low of 87.58 against the US dollar on Thursday amid weak domestic markets and imported demand for dollars. The Indian unit has lost 193 paise so far this year. Firms have slowed down foreign exchange borrowings to $125 million in January this year, a 79% drop compared to January last year, when they raised $599 million. Japanese investments in India are moving beyond the well-established patterns and are now exploring new avenues in financial services, electronics, and telecommunications. There is a shift towards new technologies, infrastructure, and defense. Growth prospects are strong with support from national policies and incentives. These trends highlight India's potential as an investment hub amid shifting global dynamics and favorable economic conditions. According to a Deloitte report, India came in first and Vietnam second in a fiscal year 2023 ranking of promising countries and regions for investment firms in Japan. The Comptroller and Audit General or CAG of India is adopting artificial intelligence and machine learning to modernize auditing processes, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness in financial oversight. This initiative aligns with India's vision of becoming a $30 trillion economy by 2047 and supports the broader governmental push for AI integration in governance. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has also encouraged cost auditors to use AI for improved risk assessment, financial analysis, and identifying inefficiencies. Private sector banks are facing high turnover rates, especially in loan and credit card sales roles, with attrition more than doubling by December. TeamLease Services recorded a 103% attrition rate among frontline employees. Key challenges include junior staff seeking quick salary raises. RBI's Deputy Governor has urged banks to improve employee engagement and retention strategies. Consumer goods sales picked up in the December quarter and vehicle registrations rose in January from a year-ago high base, pointing to positive news on the broader economic front ahead of the RBI's monetary policy announcement today, with India's rural areas performing better than its cities. The Finance Ministry has issued a directive prohibiting officers and staff from using AI tools such as ChatGPT and DeepSeek on office computers, citing risks to the confidentiality of government data and documents. This move aligns with global concerns over AI-driven data security risks. Countries like the US, Australia, Italy, and Taiwan have already banned China's DeepSeek on government devices due to security threats. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.